Hello, little learners. Welcome to our fun English lesson. Today, we are going to learn two magic words, this and that. But first, let's play a little game. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go. Look at my teddy bear. It's so soft and cute. Because the teddy is close to me, I say this is my teddy. Can you say it with me? This is my teddy. Now, let's try another one. This is an apple. Say it with me. Woohoo! Very good. Now, look over there. Do you see that bag? It's not close to me, it's far away. So, I say, that is a bag. Can you say it too? Great job. Let's try one more. That is a chair. Say it loud. Amazing. Let's play a quick game. I will show you something, and you tell me if we should use this or that. Ready? Here we go. The ball is in my hands. Should we say, this is a ball, or that is a ball? Yes. This is a ball. What about the tree over there? Should we say, this is a tree, or that is a tree? Yay! That is a tree. Great job, little learners. Now you know when to use this, for things close to you, and that, for things far away. Next time you see something near you, say this is. And when it's far away, say that is. Keep practicing and have fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.